Let's make this Rakhi with the double cord crochet method. This is the link to the video. I have taken a glue gun stick and using the pipe cleaner, I am going to wind it around the stick in this way. You get it in different colors, so you can take any color of your choice. After winding it, okay, the longer end should be left. There's approximately 1 2 3 4 5 6 of the rounds in total. Push the longer end back, remove that circular thing out, and then twist the longer end with the shorter start end in this way. Once you have done it, from the starting point you will push the longer end of the wire, the pipe cleaner, inside, and then once it's pulled out like this, you will just twist it with the tiny bit that you have remaining and bend it inwards, push it inwards like this, and then open up the circles in this way. First divide them into proper portions where you want them to face, and then start twisting them to face upwards. Once you have done twisting with all of those circles, it will look somewhat like this. You get chips, right, like this shape, so it looks very cute. Now I have a string with the similar color. What I'm going to do is I will first attach the string to this portion, and then I'm going to attach the cord with a knot. So you'll need to first attach the string, tie a knot, and then move the string upwards, the thin one, move it upwards. See that you take it nicely inside. If not, it will look like, incomplete or very not done kind of work, not neatly done kind of work. So move the string inside and tie a knot there, double knot, cut off the excess string that is there, and that's it. Now to enhance the beauty of this flower, we'll add a bead on top with the help of hot glue. So there, and there goes my bead. Around also I will add hot glue in this way, and I am going to attach those tiny beads. Simply just sprinkle them on top to give a fuller look, and that's how cute it looks. See, I'm just basically sprinkling the beads on top so that it gets caught up with that hot glue. So which of these two did you find interesting? Did you like? Let me know in the comments section. And for more interesting videos, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new out here. And I'll see you next time. Bye.